All right, so I took the manifold off the car. Let's go over a couple things. This will be the same process if you have like a K24, whether you cut this little water neck thing off or not. It doesn't really matter if you have a K20, K24. You're still gonna have that L-shaped tubing or whatever that's called. You're just gonna grab like some channel locks right here, and then you're just gonna twist it off. I know you guys have seen me doing it on the channel, but a lot of you watching this video probably don't know. So just twist it off, it'll pop right off. It's not really hard to do. So once you do that, you're gonna have to tap this, right? So I got two brand new taps. I got these off Amazon. They're like $8 each. Now, one of them is 1/4 NPT tap, and then the other one you're gonna need is 1/8 NPT. So it's gonna come in a kit like that. Just look it up on Amazon, you guys will find it. This kit right here was like $12 Amazon. So this one has like all the sizes and stuff. So this one is 1/8, so which is this one, the smallest. This one's not gonna work, it's like too small. So we're gonna go up to the next size, which is this one here. It's 1/4 right there, and this one will actually work perfect. And then we need a tap for that, which is this kit right here. So you're gonna grab this one, 1/4, and you'll just match it. It makes sense, right? So let me get these out of here, see if I can do this one hand. You're gonna have to drill this out to this size, and then you're gonna tap it to this side right here. I don't know if I have oil here. I'll see if I have some in my car. That'll help this cut through the aluminum quicker. I don't want this thing moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down here. Keep it nice and straight. So now we're gonna drill and tap this here. See if this fits in here. It might not. Nope, it doesn't. So I'm gonna see if I have an adapter for this. My adapter right here, and all this is a little adapter to like put sockets on there. This one right here. So all right, so that'll work good, and we'll throw that on there. We'll bring this back over here. We have to oil this up so that it cuts a little easier. We'll see if we can do this. If anything, we might have to do it by hand with a ratchet, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it like this first. And every time you get like a couple spins in there, you're gonna have to clean this off. So it already has like shavings on there. I think I'm gonna use a ratchet instead. I'm not really liking how that's going in like that. I really have to vacuum because my girl's gonna kick my ass. All right. All right, that's spinning on pretty good. I think we did pretty good. I think that's enough threads where we don't have to go any further. Yeah, I think that's definitely enough. See if I can show you guys a little better. Show you guys on this side. I can show you from underneath as well. That's how it's sitting. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up, and then we'll continue. See if it spins in there pretty good. There we go. Hopefully that's enough. If not, we're gonna have to tap it some more. So I'm gonna clean this up and tap it some more. It doesn't seem like it wants to go in smoothly. Let's go ahead and try this again. That is perfect, guys. It looks beautiful. So you still have to do one more thing, add Teflon to this. Other than that, you're all set. I'll show you guys a little better. Should look something like that, and yeah, that should be good. You're gonna need a barb fitting like this. The barb fitting is gonna sit on the bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is the one I would recommend, 1/8 to 3/8. And if you want to run a braided hose like this and you don't want to run like a rubber one or whatever, I suggest for you to get an 8 AN hose, braided hose. You can get these on Amazon. This doesn't have to be vibrant or anything. It's honestly just for the brake boosters, so it doesn't have to be anything crazy. This right here should slide in here perfectly. It should have like a little bit of resistance, just like that. And then you're gonna clamp it here, and then your new spot for this will be down here instead of having it on the other side. Make sure your socket can fit around that, just like that, and then that's where you're gonna place it. I'd say keep it somewhere around there. So that's where we're gonna go ahead and drill this. All right, this is 1/8 barb fitting. You're gonna need a 1/8 tap. Real simple. We're gonna do the same thing we just did. We're gonna drill it, and then we're gonna tap it. Again, remember to use oil. Also try and keep it on a flat surface, because when you're tapping this, that's where you're gonna want it. A little bit of oil. I think we might start this one with the drill, same thing. All right, so I just got it started. Now I'm gonna continue on with the ratchet. This one's really easy. Go ahead and clean this up. All right, I think we're good. I think we got all the way through. Remember, you gotta add Teflon to this later. So it's powder coated, it's cut for a K20. Now the brake booster bar fitting is relocated underneath. All right, so this is like a week later. I just wanna add that I put some Teflon on this fitting right here, this MPT fitting, whatever size that was when we did it. I don't quite remember. And then I added some Teflon on the barb fitting on the back. So after you got this all set and that's relocated to the bottom, I'm gonna bring you guys over here. Let's go ahead and take this off. So one thing I wanna add is that the brake booster, the casing on the back that goes on the firewall, I rotated that. So I also made a video for that. You guys are gonna have to probably dig and find that. So the brake booster hose goes right there. That originally was over here. We rotated it and now it's on the bottom. So this is the hose right here. I got this from I got this hose on Amazon. Honestly, this is what I did on my RSX 3 years ago, and it's still working great. So this is about 10 feet of -8 AN, or the braided line, or whatever you guys want to call it. You can find it on Amazon, just Google it. This is about 10 feet, like I said. There's one more thing you guys are gonna need. All right, so this is the old brake booster right here. On this line right here, that comes off of the brake booster, whatever. If you feel around, you're gonna find a solid point, and it's right here. It's got this little valve or whatever inside, and you need to put that inside your other hose. So remove this, cut this open. Make sure you pay attention to the direction of that valve, because that really matters. So make sure it's facing the same way, and then just stuff that inside your new hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys how to do it, whatever. Sorry for the noise, but the blue cap should be facing like the firewall or the brake booster. Now, real simple, this right here, once you push it in, mine didn't go in much, but it doesn't have to go too far in. I might push it in some more later, but I don't know, you don't really have to. So throw a clamp on here, don't forget that. You're gonna push it in just like that, down there. I'm probably gonna route mine underneath the engine mount with the clutch line, and also right here the fuel line. I'm probably gonna run that underneath. Obviously you're gonna install this thing, right? And then you're just gonna land this on the bottom, throw a clamp, and then you're all set, man. You have a tucked or a much cleaner brake booster line. So hopefully this helped and cleared up a lot of questions you guys might have had. But it's really easy. If I had to rate this from 1 to 10, this would probably be like a 2. Anybody should be able to do this, and you don't have to route it the way I do. You could route it however you want. I'm just telling you guys how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep working here, probably start up a new video, trying to separate this into different videos so you guys can find them. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. I'm about to head out. Everyone be safe, take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.